Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a chicken and pasta dish. It's going to have artichokes in it and sun-dried tomatoes and garlic, and it's my version of a chicken and pasta dish that we get at our favorite Italian restaurant. Okay, so on my cutting board here I have about 6.5 ounces of boneless, skinless chicken breasts that are cooked already. They're just leftover chicken that I had. And we're going to cut those up into some bite-sized pieces. This recipe comes together pretty quickly. You can really have this recipe done in about 30 minutes. So if you're coming home from work and you don't want to, have something super long to cook, this is a really quick recipe to make. Okay, so let's get back on our stove and we can start cooking. Okay, I have a skillet preheated over medium-low heat, and to that I added some of the oil from the sun-dried tomatoes, and we're going to add our chicken in. Okay, to our chicken we're going to add half a teaspoon of garlic powder and half of a teaspoon of some all-purpose chicken seasoning. Give it a stir. Okay, to this I'm going to grate in 1 clove of garlic. Okay, while your chicken is cooking, get your pot of water up to a boil. I already have mine at a boil, and get it ready for your pasta. Okay, to your chicken you're going to add about 4 ounces of sun-dried tomatoes with the oil. The oil is part of the sauce. Okay, add in your artichokes, your artichoke hearts. My artichokes are in a oil-based marinade, and that's how I buy them. Okay, while this finishes up cooking, go ahead and get your pasta added to your boiling water and cook that until it's al dente. Okay, for my pasta I'm using rigatoni, but you can use penne as another good option. These pastas hold the sauce a lot better, so I prefer to either use penne or rigatoni. Add a pinch of salt to your pasta. Okay, our pasta is done. I'm going to add it to our mixture over here. And drain in the water as we go. Okay, give it a stir. Mix it in with those juices from the sun-dried tomatoes and the chicken. You'll let this cook for a couple minutes until the pasta absorbs the sauce. I like to add a little bit of hot pepper flakes. You can leave them out if you like. I like them, so we're going to add them. A little bit of Parmesan cheese. Okay, so now it's ready to serve. Okay, so our pasta dish is done, and I like to add a little bit of grated Parmesan cheese to it and some good quality extra virgin olive oil, and I'm going to give it a taste test. That is really good. The chicken is nice and tender and juicy, and the sun-dried tomatoes and the artichokes and everything together makes it into a really fantastic dish with the Thai chili flakes and a little bit of a kick to it. So I hope you make this recipe, and I hope you enjoyed as much as we do. And please like and subscribe to the video and let me know down below what you would like to see next. And I'll see you next time. Bye.